Professor McGonagall. Tell me, what is it? The world as we know it is coming undone. Grindelwald is pulling it apart with hate. With or without you, I'll burn down their world. No. If we don't stop it.
Always with the spinning.
Jacob, you brilliant man.
You know me, pal. I can't pass up a good pork kid.
To save our world, each of us has a role to play.
If by tea time all of us are still alive, you should consider our efforts a success. Akio! Correct. 3 points to Hufflepuff.
He's not here for you. He's here for me.
I drew my wand, which was even more foolish.
You believe this place? They got pint-sized little witches and wizards running around here.